If you need to flip an image in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to flip an image left to right or top to bottom inside Lucidchart in just a few clicks. This is a super useful trick when your diagram, mock-up, or visual needs to face the opposite direction without recreating the whole image from scratch. If this video helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Lucidchart account and open the document that contains the image you want to edit. Make sure you're in the correct file before you start, especially if you have multiple diagrams or shared team documents. Once the document is open, look for the image on your canvas and click it once to select it. You should see the image highlighted, which means Lucidchart has recognized it and is ready for editing. Now that the image is selected, move your attention to the top menu. Lucidchart keeps a lot of shape and image controls in the toolbar, so you'll want to look for the arrange or shape options depending on your layout. In many cases, the flip tools are grouped with rotation controls. Hover over the option that says rotate or flip. This is where Lucidchart stores the commands for changing the orientation of your selected image. Once you open that menu, you'll see the flip options available. If you want to reverse the image from left to right, choose flip horizontal. This is perfect for changing the direction something is facing, like an icon object or illustration. If you want to turn the image upside down over a top to bottom axis, choose flip vertical. That's useful when you need a mirrored effect from top to bottom instead of sideways. After you click your preferred flip option, Lucidchart will instantly update the image on the canvas. There's no need to drag, redraw, or export anything. If the result doesn't look quite right, you can always select the image again and try the other flip direction until it matches what you need. And that's it. Flipping an image in Lucidchart is that easy. Just open your document, select the image, go to rotate or flip, and choose either flip horizontal or flip vertical. It's a fast way to make your diagrams and visuals look exactly the way you want. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Lucidchart tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.